How to fund Skrill account. Hi guys, welcome to another Skrill tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can fund Skrill account. So let's get right into it. The first step is to download the Skrill application. Second step is to open up the app. Now, once you've opened it up, you will go to the home page where you would see your balance, and then you see three icons which include add, transfer, and exchange. Now, as you can see, my balance is currently zero, and then if I want to fund this wallet, I don't have to bother too much. All I need to do is to click on the add option that you can see by the right side of the screen. Now, once you click on this add, you'll be taken to a page where you'll see your amount, and then at the lower part of the screen you'll see select payment method. That is, how do I want to fund my wallet? All right. Now, once I click on that, I will go to the page where I would see the payment method, which is basically paying with credit or debit card. Now, yours might differ. You can have another option there. You can have another option there actually, but you can select it. But for me, I'll just stick with this credit or debit card, and then once you're ready, tap on this credit or debit card, and then you'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked to provide your card details, and then input the money, pay, and you'll be charged a fee. Ensure you pay the fee, and then your account will be funded. The screen is black at the moment because Skrill application does not allow a display of important information like card details, all right, but you'll see it on your screen once you click on the payment card. So another one is by transferring, all right, transferring money to yourself. And how do you do that? By clicking on the transfer icon at the middle of the screen, and then you can see other options like send to yourself, Skrill to Skrill, etc. So just click on send to yourself, and then from here you can see other options such as credit or debit card, bank account. So select add bank account, and then once you add your bank account, you can be able to send money to your bank account using Skrill, and that is it. These are the two ways how you can fund your wallet on Skrill. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.